In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add target accounts in HubSpot. This is a simple but important setup if you're doing account-based marketing or if your sales team focuses on key companies. Marking a company as a target account helps you and your team prioritize outreach, reporting, and follow-up. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own HubSpot account. First, log into your HubSpot account the way you normally do. Once you're in, look over to the main navigation on the left-hand side. There, you'll see an icon labeled CRM. Hover your mouse over the CRM icon to open the menu and then select Companies. This will bring you to your full list of companies in HubSpot. Take a moment to locate the company that you want to mark as a target account. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once you've found the right company, click on its name to open the company's profile page. On the company profile, focus on the left panel. Near the top, you'll see a section called Key Information. This is where HubSpot stores some of the most important details about that company. In the top right corner of this Key Information card, there's an Actions button. Go ahead and click on Actions, and from the drop-down menu, choose View All Properties. When you do that, a panel will slide open from the right side of your screen. This panel shows all the properties associated with the company, grouped into different sections to make them easier to find. Scroll down in this panel until you see a section called Target Accounts Information. If it's collapsed, click on it to expand that section. Inside this Target Accounts Information section, look for the property labeled Target Account. Click on that field. You'll be able to set the value for this property. Change it so that the value is set to true. This tells HubSpot that this company is now one of your target accounts. After you change the value, you should see a small confirmation message at the bottom of the screen letting you know that your changes have been saved. Once you see that, you're done. The company is now marked as a target account in HubSpot, and that's it. You've successfully added a target account in HubSpot, and you can repeat this process for any other key companies you want to prioritize.